Welcome! Today, we're diving into one of the most delicious yet underrated natural foods, grapes. More than just a sweet snack, grapes are loaded with powerful compounds that support health on multiple levels. But how can something so tasty also be so medicinal? Composition and active components. Let's break down what's inside 1 cup of fresh grapes, approximately. 150 grams. Primary compounds, natural sugars, glucose and fructose. Provide quick energy without the crash when consumed with fiber. Dietary fiber. Supports digestion and stabilizes blood sugar. Water, approximately 80%. Keeps you hydrated naturally. Active antioxidants and phytochemicals. Resveratrol, found mainly in red and purple grapes, protects heart and brain health. Quercetin, anti-inflammatory and may support lung function. Anthocyanins, give grapes their color, help fight oxidative stress. Catechins, improve blood flow and reduce cholesterol. Vitamin C, strengthens immunity and aids collagen production. Vitamin K, important for blood clotting and bone health. Potassium, helps balance blood pressure. Small amounts of B vitamins, copper, and manganese. Supporting functions. Cardiovascular support, resveratrol and potassium improve circulation and reduce blood pressure. Anti-aging properties. Antioxidants fight free radicals that cause cellular aging. Digestive aid, fiber and water content support healthy bowel movements. Cognitive protection. Some studies link grape polyphenols to improved memory and focus. Immune boosting, rich in vitamin C and flavonoids. Medical benefits, heart health. Resveratrol can reduce LDL, bad cholesterol, and prevent arterial damage. Anti-inflammatory. Quercetin and anthocyanins help calm chronic inflammation. Eye protection. Lutein and zeaxanthin in grapes help prevent age-related macular degeneration. Blood pressure regulation. Potassium helps lower sodium-related pressure. Cancer-fighting potential. Some lab studies suggest resveratrol may inhibit tumor growth. Note: grapes are natural and nutrient-dense, but moderation is still key, especially in juice or dried form, raisins, where sugars become concentrated. Whole grapes offer the best balance of fiber and phytonutrients. Who should be cautious? People with diabetes or insulin resistance. Grapes have natural sugars. Stick to whole grapes and avoid excess juice. Those on blood thinners. Due to vitamin K, grapes may interfere with some medications. Allergy-prone individuals. Rare, but grape allergies do exist. People with digestive issues. Excessive grapes may cause bloating or diarrhea due to their fiber and sugar alcohols. Possible harms of overconsumption. Blood sugar spikes, especially when consuming juice or raisins. Weight gain. Overeating dried grapes, raisins, adds concentrated calories. Pesticide exposure. Conventionally grown grapes often have high pesticide residues. Always wash or choose organic. Tooth decay. Natural sugars can feed oral bacteria. Rinse your mouth afterward. Daily use. Recommendation. Ideal intake. 1 cup of fresh grapes, approximately 150 grams. Per day is a healthy serving. Choose whole over juice. For fiber, satiety, and slower sugar absorption. Go for color. Darker grapes equal higher antioxidant content. Wash thoroughly or choose organic to avoid pesticides. Pair with protein or fat, like nuts or yogurt to slow sugar absorption. Grapes, when enjoyed whole and in moderation, are nature's medicine in bite-sized form. But just like with anything sweet, even naturally balance is essential. Grapes are both a treat and a tonic. The secret lies in the form and quantity. Subscribe and join us daily as we uncover the science and healing powers behind everyday ingredients. Thanks for watching.